Hey guys, Lady Lee here. In this video, I want to share with you these fun and super simple homemade DIY pallet wood bookshelves. I recently did kind of redecorated my living room, and I was looking for bookshelves that can carry some weight and that I'll feel comfortable with, and the kids can't, knock the books off of them and stuff like that. So I saw those at a friend's house and they were exactly what I was looking for. I already had some pellets, so I just got to work. You've seen me measure before. I just wanted to measure where my studs are because I'm going to screw those right to the studs, so everything is super strong and safe and secure and nobody can knock anything down. I have this cool tool to break apart pallets. My neighbor left it a few months ago when he saw me trying to do that with a hammer and some other tools, and he just stopped by and left this. I'm not even sure what it's called. I'll try to look it up and put it in the description below. So we need 4 boards for each shelf, and I'm using those pallets that have that cut in them. I guess you can do it with any kind of pallets, but this little I don't know how you'll call it, like this little half circle thing that these pallets have kind of adds a little bit to the shelves. We measured the sides about 12 inches, and we need 2 pieces like the piece that you see me cutting over here. So 2 pieces for each shelf, and then 4 planks that I will measure and cut with the skill saw according to the spaces of my studs. I did make each bookshelf a little wider than the studs, so I can go ahead and screw the planks right to the studs, and you'll see how it's all coming together at the end. Benny went ahead and removed the nails, and then we measured those boards and cut them with the skill saw. Once we had all the pieces cut to size, it was time to put this bookshelf together. So 1 plank goes on the bottom, 2 planks go on the back, and 1 on the front. The one that we screw in the front, we're going to screw after the bookshelf is already on the wall. I kind of sort of positioned the shelf where I wanted it, and then removed it and marked where my studs are so I know where the screws are going to go. Then I put the shelf back in place and made sure to level it, and then the back planks are the ones that are screwed into the stud. The studs, all the screws here are regular, just wood screws. Nothing special or complicated. Once the back of the shelf is screwed to the studs, then you go ahead and put the front plank and put your books in there. Of course, you know, you can stain it or paint it, preferably before you hang the shelf. I really like the natural different colors of the pallet wood, so I left it just natural like that since it's inside the house. It doesn't need the protection of paint or stain, but of course if you want to make it whatever other color you want it to be, then that's simple enough. That's it, you guys. These bookshelves can carry pretty heavy books since they're screwed right into the studs. They're not going anywhere. And I love that the books can't just be knocked down from them by a running child or jumping off the sofa toddler or whatever. They're super cute, super easy, super simple to make, and I love how they look. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you again in the next video.